Hello kids, this is Jermaine. Always remember to keep your social distance, wash your hands, stay home, and use your mask to avoid virus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let us all learn math in fun and easy way. God bless!
Hello class! Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa solving word problem. Paano nga ba natin mako-compute o masosolve ang isang problem? So let us have an example. Okay, para ma-solve natin ang isang word problem, kailangan muna natin basahin at intindihin ang problem. Okay, Jack bought 8 dozens of eggs from the grocery store to bake some pancakes. He plans to bake pancakes over 5 days. How many eggs did Jack buy? Sa Tagalog, si Jack daw ay bumili ng 8 dosenang itlog sa grocery store o sa pamilihan para daw gumawa ng pancakes. Pag sinabi nating dozens or dosena, ilan ba yon? Okay, ang dozens ay tumutukoy sa 12 bilang. So, 8 daw na dosena or 8 na tig 12 itlog galing sa grocery store. Okay. He plans to bake pancakes over 5 days. So, ibig sabihin, plano niyang gumawa ng mga pancakes sa loob ng 5 araw. How many eggs did Jack buy? Ilang itlog ang kailangang bilihin ni Jack? So, kung sa isang araw ay 8 dosena na itlog ang kinakailangan niya, ilang itlog ang kakailanganin niya for 5 days? So, yan ang ating problem ngayon. Para ma-solve natin ang ating problem, meron tayong steps na dapat sundan sa pagsosolve ng problem. First, we need to understand. Second, plan. Then third, solve. Okay, let us first understand the situation or the problem. So, sa pag-understand o pag-intindi ng problem, may 2 question na dapat tayong sagutin. Number 1, what is asked in the problem? Ano ba yung tinatanong sa problema? Balikan nga natin. Okay. Ang tinatanong dito sa ating problem ay, how many eggs did Jack buy? Yung mismong tanong. So, what is asked in the problem? Number of eggs bought by Jack. Ilan yung eggs na kakailanganin ni Jack? And number 2, what are the given facts? Ano-ano daw yung mga ibinigay na impormasyon dun sa ating problem? Okay, paano natin malalaman yung mga given na binigay dito sa kwento? So, ang given, ito yung mga number na kakailanganin natin or mga information na kakailanganin natin para masagot yung tanong natin dun sa what is asked na nilagay natin kanina. So, ano-ano ba dito yung number or information na kailangan natin? Okay, these 8 dozens of eggs and 5 days. Para masagot natin yung question natin. So, the given facts are 8 dozens, meaning 8 times 12 is equals to 96 and 5 days. So, yan yung para sa understand na first step natin. Second is to plan. Pagpaplanuhan na natin ngayon kung paano natin isosolve. So, meron tayong question sa pagpaplano. Number 3, what is the operation to be used? Ano daw yung gagamitin nating operation para mag-solve. So we have 4 basic operations. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Para malaman natin kung ilang itlog ang kakailanganin sa loob ng 5 araw, ang gagamitin nating operation ay tama, multiplication. So what is the operation to be used? It is multiplication. Next one, under ng plan stage. What is the number sentence? Number sentence, ito yung temporary natin na way ng pag-compute nang hindi nyo pa nilalagay mismo yung sagot. So, ang unang dapat gawin ay yung i-multiply natin yung 1 dosena sa 8 at yung sagot niya ay i-multiply natin sa 5 equals n. Laging n yung nakalagay kasi hindi pa natin naman kino-compute. So, that is the number sentence. And ang last natin na dapat gawin ay to solve. Use the operation to solve the problem. So 12 times 8, the answer is 96. Apply natin sa 5. 96 times 5 is equals to 480. So, ang dapat natin gawin ay isulat ang ating complete answer. So, how many eggs did Jake buy? The answer will be, there are 480 eggs. So, nasagot na ang katanungan natin sa ating problem. We have 480 eggs all in all. Again, we can solve the problem using 3 steps. Understand, plan, and solve. So that would be all for today. God bless.